back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Larisha, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you my perfume collection. So let's get started with the video, guys. So the first perfume is my all-time favorite perfume so far, and the perfume is Chance by Chanel. And if you guys haven't tried this out, go and just check it out. You will fall in love with this perfume. And it is a very sleek bottle, and it is a very classy bottle with this square cap. And if I talk about the quantity of this product, I will say like it is worth the price. And the fragrance of this perfume is very mild, fresh, fruity, and it is very long lasting, because like whenever I use this perfume, fragrance of this perfume lasts on my clothes for like 2 or 3 days. So I will say like this is very long lasting, and whenever I wear this perfume, I keep on smelling my clothes, my hands. If I talk about the price of this perfume, it is around like $85, I guess. So second one is this Gucci Guilty perfume, and this is my first Gucci perfume, and I really love the way it looks like. I really love the color because I am very fond of golden color. And if I talk about the fragrance of this perfume, it is kind of very strong. Like I usually wear this perfume in winters or in parties, and it is very long lasting. I would say like I didn't have a perfume of this fragrance. Like I usually don't end up buying strong perfume, so this one is the first strong perfume that I have. So the third one is this Gucci Guilty Black, and I know it's a men perfume, still I love it because it has a very refreshing fragrance, and it is very long lasting. I really love it. I don't know why and how. And I usually wear this perfume in summers. I really love the way it looks like. And when I was buying my first Gucci perfume, I was getting some deal with it, so I just thought of buying it because this one was the one which I loved at that point of time. So yeah, and if I talk about the price of this perfume, I would say it was also under $100. So the next one is this Dolce & Gabbana perfume. It is light blue, and this is one of my favorite perfume because I really like wearing this perfume in winters and spring, because it has a very refreshing, fresh and clean fragrance. Yeah, like I feel like whenever it's summers and I have to step out of my house, I usually end up wearing this perfume. I would say that this one is the oldest perfume I currently have, and I don't remember the exact price of this perfume, but it must be like below $100. So these were the perfumes that I have. So now I will be sharing with you some mist that I have. So I lost the cap of this mist like maybe yesterday. So these two are from Bath and Body Works. So if you haven't tried the mist of Bath and Body Works, I would recommend you guys to go and check it out, because they have really amazing and a lot of variety of mist. So if you guys like very strong floral fragrance, I would suggest this one is the one. If I talk about the scent is very delicate floral with a high notes of jasmine. It has a very strong floral smell, and it is very long lasting, very inexpensive. Like if I talk about the price, it is for like $15, and you get a huge quantity of it. You can see for $15, I would say like it is a very good buy. So the next one is this White from Kenneth and Cole, and this one is the mist that I have used a lot because it has a very unique fragrance, and then I really love it. And if I talk about the price of this mist, it was $18, and I usually love wearing this one because it is long lasting, and I usually receive a lot of compliments whenever I wear this mist. So this is one of my favorite mist, and I would love to buy again because whenever it finishes. So the next one is this Hollister mist that I got on a deal. So it was for $15, but I remember purchasing it for like $5 or $6. So it is a orange and blossom mist that I really don't like. I really don't like the fragrance of it, and I would say it is not that much long lasting. So this one is the one which I don't use much. So now I'm gonna share with you the roller balls that I have. So I have these 4 roller balls in different fragrance. So one is pink floral, and the next one is this white floral. As you can see, I'm so much into floral fragrance. So this one is wood, if you can see, and this one is citrus. So I really like roller balls because they are very easy to apply, carry, and very convenient to put in your bag and take wherever you want to take it. So I really love these. So I have used a lot of white floral. I would say like I will again buy this if it finishes soon. So these were the roller balls that I have, and I don't remember the exact price of them. So I guess I have shared all my perfume, mist, and roller balls that I have right now. So hope you guys like my video. If you guys like my video, you know what you have to do. You have to hit the like button, do subscribe, and I will see you in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care.